Alright, so let me start the video with a simple question. What are the common ways to lock an Android phone? Setting up fingerprint, setting up face unlock, setting up passcode, or setting up pattern, right? But what if I say that iPhones don't have pattern lock feature? Most of the iPhone users might already know, but in this video, I'm going to explain that why iPhones lack pattern lock feature, and there's a reason to that. So sit back, relax, and watch the video till then because it's going to be really interesting. Alright, so before starting out with the video, if you don't know me yet, well, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. So why don't iPhones have pattern lock feature? The simple answer to that is due to security reasons. Well, researchers have found that pattern lock is the worst way to lock your phone. So researchers actually conducted an experiment where they compared passcode with pattern locks, in which nearly 64% of the time people were able to recognize the patterns that was used by another person by taking a look at the phone just a single time. And that number rose to nearly 84% when the other person looked at the screen multiple times. And if you compare the same results with another experiment where they've used passcode, it was only 11% of the time the other person was able to recognize the passcode that was used by another person in the phone. And that number only rose to nearly 27% when that person looked at the phone multiple times. So from these results, you can easily say that passcodes are much more safer than pattern locks. Now you might ask me, Arnav, not everyone's phones are being compromised. Apple could have added that particular feature and made it much more easier for the customers to choose whether they need a passcode or pattern lock, because pattern locks are much more easier to set up and easier to remember too. Apple wants to give technology in the most perfect manner and reliable. And that's why Apple doesn't include any gimmicky technology that's not safe and reliable. Having a safe and reliable method to lock your phone decreases the potential of data theft, which is clearly what Apple wants for its customers, because Apple always focuses on privacy and protection. And because of that, many people also prefer buying Apple products. So this is not only just a feature of Apple products, but a point to make the other people buy Apple products rather than buying Android or Windows or something like that. Of course, I do agree that pattern locks are simple and easier to remember than compared to passcodes or passwords or something like that. But in comparison with all the other methods, pattern locks are one of the worst ways to lock a phone. And that's why clearly Apple didn't want to have that feature in the first place. Whatever the features that Apple has in their smartphones are tested, proven and reliable, and that's what they want their customers to experience. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Actually, I decided to make this short video when I was using an iPhone, and I suddenly got a thought that why doesn't iPhones have a pattern lock feature? And that's when I started searching online and found out this answer. So what do you think about this answer? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoy watching my video, drop a like to this video and also share this video with all of your friends. Subscribe to Tech Arena for more awesome tech content, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications so that whenever I post any new video, it will come directly to you. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.